Okay everybody, this is an egg that just came out this morning from one of my chickens, and the way it's working is it's not hard. So I'll show you what I mean. If I poke here, you can see the dent in it. It's extremely soft and very pliable. I don't know why it's like this. It's pretty strange, but I think it's because there's not enough calcium. So they've been getting eggshells ground up, and they've also been getting oyster shells, but looks like we might have to adjust that a bit. So what I'm going to do, I made another video of this about a month ago, and when I was finished with it, after people were watching it, I got a lot of people coming up and saying that they wanted to know what was inside of it. And so I'm going to show you today what it is looking like inside. It looks like a normal egg, but I'll show you guys. So here we go. So it looks brand new and normal, and here's the eggshell. So pretty weird. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and have a great day. Don't forget to eat an egg.